welcome back to the vlog. Right now we're in the Maui airport on our way to Oahu, and our plane just got here, and we leave at 10:55, I'm pretty sure, and get there at like 11:40 something. So it's a short plane ride, but we're about to board soon. So see you guys later.
On the wall in the food court, and Emily and I just had pad thai from a little restaurant in here, and my mom's eating a poke bowl.
Well, this is what's left of it.
Yeah, she's finishing the poke bowl.
Hey guys, we finally made it to Waikiki Beach, and yesterday we landed here and we just went to the mall and ate some Olive Garden because it was really tired for some reason, but now we're back to the beach and back at our hotel. It's a couple of minutes down the street and we're going to enjoy a beach day. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday we ended up going to dinner and going to the beach, and now it's the next day and we are on our way to the University of Hawaii, and we're waiting for the bus. Right now we're going on the bus 13 and we missed it because we were on the other side of the road, but now we made it to the right side. And yeah, we're gonna go tour because this is my dream college, so I actually bought a shirt already for it. And yeah, so we're gonna go tour and see what it's like. See you guys there. We're at the bookstore. A couple hours since I updated you guys, but we went to the University of Hawaii and then toured it, and then we ended up on the street with like a ton of shops, so we went to Urban Outfitters and I bought a top there, and then we came back to, or no, we went out to eat at Yard House, and then we came back to the hotel and snapped for a little bit, and then we got free drinks at our hotel. And now we're out on the beach waiting for fireworks to start because the Hilton Hawaiian Village Hotel does fireworks every Friday, so we're waiting for those to start, and yeah. It's the next day, and yesterday we ended the night with fireworks, and now we're on our way to North Shore because my mom and I are doing a free dive with sharks. So I'm really excited about that. It's at 10 and right now it's like 9 and we're just getting to the North Shore. It's really pretty drive because all the mountains, and yeah, so we're on our way there right now, and I'll update you guys whenever we get there.
making some hand roll sushi from 7-Eleven.
So you roll your nori. It's a little uneven.
Just roll it up just like that. Okay, try it.
Very good. Okay guys, so it's been a couple hours since we went to the shark dive, which was really cool, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. We did the one ocean diving, so I really recommend it if you are here in Oahu. It's on the North Shore by all the other like shark diving booths that you sign up and then, or like you check in, you sign up online. And yeah, so it was a really cool experience and I really loved it. We saw a tiger shark and it was really cool. I was swimming out with it. She was so pretty. And then we saw a lot of Galapagos sharks. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and yesterday we ended up just getting a pizza after we got back from the shark dive in North Shore. And then today we just ended up taking it slow, and we woke up kind of late and then went to the beach and we saw some turtles, and I filmed that on my GoPro, so you'll see a clip of that. And then now we are on our way to the mall, and we're gonna meet my dad and my sister and her friend there because they're already there and we're on the way now. So yeah, see you guys there.
Guys, we're eating at the Chicken Cajun.
You can eat it.
Okay guys, so today we are on our way to Waimea Valley, which is like this place. They have botanical gardens and waterfalls, and we're gonna do a luau there tonight. But on our way there we stopped at Waimanalo Beach, which was really nice beach. It was super clear and really pretty, and it had like a ton of islands around it in the water. And now we're on our way to Lanikai Beach to go swim there for a little bit because we don't have to be at the Waimea Valley thing till a little later because we're doing the luau, so that's tonight. So we're gonna go to Lanikai first, and yeah. Okay guys, so now we came back from Lanikai Beach and we got to Waimea Valley and we changed, so I put on this pink dress, and now we're gonna check out. There's like a waterfall that's like 30 minutes and our luau starts in like 40 minutes, so I don't know if we're gonna walk it completely, but we're gonna walk through it and see. And it's really pretty here, so I'll show you guys.
And now that they're red hot, we start to remove any remaining burning firewood or rocks. The reason being, you do not want to cook on that. That'll actually burn the food. Ooh, some back action. Today in our umu, we'll be baking it. The second starch, you all may know it, it's green bananas. Now, I know many of you like your bananas ripe, but I like mine just green. Stage, the brave men and women of New Zealand with the web.
Waimea
just hiked Diamond Head. So today is our last full day here, and we decided to hike Diamond Head in the morning, and then we're gonna go to the beach for the rest of the day, and then we're going to this Peruvian restaurant tonight called Mimi's. So yeah, I'll see you guys back at the hotel. Okay, so we got back from hiking Diamond Head an hour ago, and then we changed into bikinis and ate a snack that we got from ABC. Me and my sister split a Hawaiian flatbread pizza thing. It was really good. And now we're gonna head down to the beach.